I am thirsty. These are facts. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. If you're new to my channel, I usually open this box once a quarter, year, spring, season, 4 times a year. So let me lift this up, it's kind of heavy. This is my FabFitFun box. I usually open this box 4 times a year. It is a seasonal box, quarterly box. I don't know how you want to say it. I'll leave more in the description down below about the box. I also have a playlist that this video is going into. You can go check out my past boxes to learn a little bit more about them. It's like beauty, lifestyle. What else do they have? Fitness, which is lifestyle. Home decor, which is like really nice. They have a bunch of stuff. So go look, actually stay here and look first, and then we'll go from there. This is my spring FabFitFun box. It's on the smaller side, but I don't know why I would have gotten a bigger box, so I feel like this fits. I always forget what I pick, so this is like a surprise or like a reminder. Is it really like, it's a surprise because I forgot, but then like it reminds me or jogs my memory, and then I'm like, oh, that's what I picked. So it's like a surprise for both of us, if that makes sense. I'm rambling. Let's get into this. Let me open it. Tweezers. I was using my handy dandy knife, but then I switched to the tweezers because they're like right here and they're easy, and they're not good tweezers anymore. They're just opening things now, so we're doing that. Anywho, oh, that's cute. It's green. And then it says right here, oh, spring 2024. This is it. Ugh, spring. Are you gonna say 2024? Oh, it says hello spring. That's cute. Oh, got some stuff here on top. Let me set her down so I can show you. Yeah. Okay, so I got these 2 items. They're personal lubricant. I heard great, amazing things from, oh, let me move my phone over here. Good things from the first one I gifted, so I got more to gift as well, and like we'll see how good they are. Moving on, I got this as like a little freebie in the box. It's supposed to be a root concealer for blondes in medium blonde. I'm by no means like a hairstylist, but what does medium blonde mean? That's brown. There's brown. Back to my previous statement though, I'm by no means, is that why it says medium blonde? Is that like code for brown? I think that's code for brown. And then dark blonde is black. Oh, do I have a tissue? Let me get a tissue. Oh, it comes off okay. Not the best, but okay. Medium blonde. And then my usual inserts that come in here. FabFitFun, ad, DoorDash, HelloFresh, Ground. I'll throw them away right now. And then my protective paper cover. And everything that comes in my FabFitFun box. Ooh. Let's pull up the app. Once upon a time, FabFitFun used to have the, was it like a little magazine kind of thing? Kind of like what BoxyCharm by Ipsy has. Oh, well, theirs is more of a, well, they used to have an insert before, and now they don't. So let me get over to my FabFitFun app. Yeah, it's a new phone, and I'm really not liking it, but I asked for it, so here I am. Made my bed, got to lay in it. Well, I didn't make my bed. I like suggested what I wanted my bed to look like. Someone else got it for me, and now I'm dealing with the consequences of my actions. Yeah. Ooh, okay. So 6 items in total. One of them I think I did, because I'm an annual member, I left this part out. Just so we can talk now. Totally planned. One item doesn't look familiar to me, so I'm thinking I did a mystery and that's what that is. I don't know. Let's just go through things. We'll go from here, there. We'll get to it. The first item is from Glossier. It's the No. 1 Eye Pencil Ink and the G Suit Liquid Lip Cream in Curve. Oh, is that like the shade ink is one, curve is the other? It's $38. What's this? Okay, so one Glossier smusher thing, core thing. That's open too. That's weird. Well, we get pushed around a bunch. It's like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah. I have slippery fingers. Both. So I got two Glossier products. Oh, okay. I think I know. So this is like a lipstick and this is a lip pencil, even though you don't say that's what you are. It says Perfect Glide Eyeliner No. 1 Pencil. In the shade Ink, which is black. Oh, are you like a nice... It's not as dark as I like, but still pretty good. It's like, what do they call it? It like coal. Coal is the color where it's not black, but it's not gray. It's like a dusty, dirty black. That is what this reminds me of. So, I don't know how it survived in this poor little box either. It's like destroyed. This is part 2. Did you say anywhere? No, just... Use the applicator to line lips and then fill in for bold, velvety color. So I'm assuming you're a lipstick. Soft Touch Lip Cream. Oh, look at that. Is that like the... Oh. Oh. It's a cream. I was like, oh, it's a lipstick. It's a cream. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Oh wow, that is very moussey. I like that. Oh my gosh. There's not really like a smell to it, which is good. It reminds me of the oh, what was it? The NARS ones, I want to say. Like the feel is so soft and like velvety. The NARS ones did that, but they smelled like super sweet. Let me wipe this off. Oh, this does not wipe off. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. By the way, I got this. It's like a little headband I got while I was at Sephora. I got my makeup done today, and I just want to let you know this is the best I've ever had my makeup done. This is gorgeous. Personally, I love this. Anyway, $38 for the 2-piece items there. The next item, I haven't heard of this brand, but I've seen it a lot on my social media. It's cool the box is open. It's called Dibs Beauty. And this is the Desert Island Blush Bronzer Duo in shade 2. And it's $36. It's a creamy thing. If you guys have like played with this brand, let me know what other items I should try, because now I kind of want to, just from seeing it everywhere. Oh. So here's what it looks like as I'm like trying to play with it. Do I... Ooh. Very nice. Very pretty. I like that shade. It's a nice color. It's a nice summer color for me. It might be okay, actually. I'm not a cream girly at all. But today the wonderful girl who did my makeup did a lot of cream products, which like stunned me, like this. So I'm scared, but I want to try more cream products. And this is like cream, so hello, we're getting there. Like, past me knew that future me was gonna need this, so thanks. I'm gonna try it. $36. Okay, this next item is kind of like I needed it. So I got it. It's from First Aid Beauty. I absolutely love First Aid Beauty. First of all, never have I ever had anything from First Aid Beauty go wrong, bad, what have you. Good stuff. These are the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. $38. They're like toner pads, if that makes sense. I have a product that I'm using right now that's toner pads. It's not First Aid Beauty, and it burns the bejesus out of my skin. If I have a blemish, if I scratch my skin, if I exfoliate my skin before I use the toner pads, oh my god, it burns so bad. I don't want to use them anymore. So now that these are in, I almost bit my tongue because I got so excited. Now that these are in, I'm going to stop using those other ones that are like burning my skin and get to using these. I'm excited. I love First Aid Beauty. Alright. Ooh, that was $38. This next item, I think I chose, because every so often there's like the categories, because there's six choices you can choose from, 6 options. How do you word this? Like it's 6, like you get to select 6 items, but from each of those items there's like 8 items you can choose from in that item. So the categories, you can pick from 6 categories each item in the category. You know what I mean, right? Perfect. So you can pick one of those items in the category, and if you don't like it, pick a mystery item. And I think that's what this is, because I would not personally pick a roller ball. And this is a strawberry roller ball. To me, a roller ball is not a full size, by the way. That's like a travel at most. Very small. Oh, it's from Malin and Goetz. Apothecary and Perfumery. 100% perfume oil. How much are you? $36. We're like in the 30 range with everything so far. $36. I want to smell it. I know it's like crushed open. So let's see. I mean, it is pretty much spring here in Arizona already. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on my arm. Please work. Oh my gosh. No. That is oh man. That's really nice. Oh. It's like, it has that like flowery, musky, but then strawberry in it. Like you just got out of the bath and in a spring field of flowers and you have, oh my god, I like that. I want to see how it sits and meshes with my skin. Because when I smell it from here, it smells different than when you put it on. And then when you have it on for a while, it smells different after that. So, dang it. I'm probably going to like this. Like, kind of upset that they give you these tiny little things that are travel size, sample size, minis, and they call it like a full size item. To me, I'm like, no. But this smells gorgeous. I love this. I'm getting more of the strawberry smell now. Oh god, how much was that? 30? Oh, we're in the what, $36 range? 36, yeah. Oh, okay, so this next item is lower in price. It's $19. Huh. And it is from Chorus. It's the Pure Greek Olive Shower Gel in Olive Blossom, which sounds so good. I don't know why I got this, honestly. I love olives, I do. I've met my fair share of people who don't, which I think is weird, but I wonder if I was hungry at the time. Is this? Because it says shower gel, so you gotta be thick. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Shower gel. I have some shower gel that I'm using right now I'm not quite done with, but this is going to be next up. Exciting. I love the way this perfume smells, by the way. I'm just stuck. It's good. That's $19, by the way. And then last, maybe I needed it? I have a couple. I don't have a ton, but I have a couple. This is a dry shampoo, by the way, from Living Proof. It's their PhD dry shampoo for $28. But I mean, like, what? It works good. I'm not going to pop it off or anything like that. It works really good. I love the smell, too. I already have one. Do I have one? I might be done with it, and I think that's why I might have gotten this one. But I know I have an Amika one that I'm using right now. Maybe I got it for like a backup? I don't know. For whatever reason, I either didn't save the pictures when I made my choice, and then in the categories for which items you could have picked for the choice items. Anyway, I didn't save any of my picks or how I went about it. Normally I do, but I didn't. It's my fault, my bad, but I still love this stuff, so that's good. And then, that's everything. More paper. Ooh. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. That's really good for, like, you know, like a store, shopping mall, what have you slogan kind of thing. I think that's really nice. Woo! Also, all the Glossier stuff is really slippery, so just be careful there. Oh my god. And then, is that everything? Oh, look, it fits nice. I was hoping it was going to fit nice so I could show you, and it does. Can you see everything kind of okay? I'm worried this lid's going to, like, fall down and hit something somewhere, someone. No? We're good? Yeah. That's everything. I love it. Very nice. No, because I'm an annual member, where I pay every year, did you guys get the same thing in your FabFitFun boxes? Did you pick different items? Were you selected different items? I'm curious to know. Make sure you comment down below what you got. I'm going to add this to my FabFitFun playlist. You can go check out my other videos there. And if you like what you saw today, hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!